Warning: this video has very abusive language.
Hi and welcome to Tetri Explain. My friend sent me the link of this shitty flat earther who has 91.8k subscribers. I want everyone to report his channel. Let's check what he has got in his about. Flat earth, conspiracy, science. I don't think these things go very well together. Spirituality, health, history, new world order, secret societies, Atlantis, yoga, martial arts, veganism and more. I guess you are vegan in the only case that you don't eat your wife's pussy. A bunch of my comments and my friends' comments got deleted from his video when we tried to instill some knowledge into him. I'm going to be going over them. Also, I'm going to be commenting on some of his videos. So let's get started.
This is the latest video Eric Dubé has posted about him contradicting Ludacris, who tries to correct flat earthers. I guess Ludacris was insane that he tried to correct flat earthers, who seem to be the most stubborn people on earth, more stubborn than their cock which gets stuck in their wife's pussies. So the first comment is, "Hey flat earthers, here's the thing. You think all space stuff is some gibberish based on the mind-boggling facts you produce. Turns out that even if you consider your facts to be true, they'll end up contradicting themselves at some point. I don't think most of you have studied anything apart from high school. Even in high school, I think you were the kids who ask the teacher random shit just so that it's over before any knowledge bar logic transfer occurs. You guys also bring disgrace to the ancient texts by quoting them. You douchebags just get some random badly edited video and call it proof that earth is flat. Also, even if your conspiracy theories on government were true, I don't think most of military hardware today would work without something called as GPS or the Global Positioning System. The second one reads, "The stupidity in this video is disgusting as fuck. So you are telling me that the picture you have taken using your piece of crap camera and digitally zoomed onto a body which is millions of kilometers away is accurate, and the pictures taken by huge telescopes billions of dollars worth is CGI? And you are asking the viewer to look at the picture on screen, which is 2D, a circle, and judge if it is a sphere, which is a 3D object. The reason your photos is looking as an abomination is due to the fact that the light getting refracted in the atmosphere and that teensy pinsy shitty small sensor of your camera which is literally generating noise. If you really want to get a good picture, why don't you afford a good telescope and then take the pictures? And if you think that gravity is fake, then how are we standing on earth?"
Oh look, Dubé is drinking his piss in the video titled as Biology of Beliefs.
The description of this video reads that our brain cells are made up of tiny nerve cells called as neurons. I guess Dubé's nerve cells are replaced by nephrons. Next up we have his video on out of the body experiences. Let's see the comments. Fuck Eric Dubé's wife to get out of body. People are too intelligent to understand the stupidity. The second comment. Scientist throws facts. The almighty critical thinker flat earthers. That's fallacy. The third one reads, scientific census is possible. Flat earthers. Confused as to what that means. The next one reads, please help me. I want to learn this art of telepathy to ask Eric Dubé's wife for a blowjob. Sorry, blowjob for my pet dog. Eric Dubé even went as far as to post a video titled 1000 plus memes for flat earthers. I recommend no one to check it, and I recommend everyone to report it actually. So the comment in it reads, this video should have been named as 1000 plus memes for motherfucking piece of shit gangbanging cocksucking Dubé for inspiring his neighbors to eat his wife's cunt. That was quite harsh at him, but it suits him right. Dubé even went out as far as to frame a mathematical model of flat earth. He just tries to explain how sun sets if earth were to be flat, which he believes to be true. Well, the deleted comment is, Dubé, this is how sun sets. Einstein, that it's more similar to doggy style sex. Dubé, that is what I meant. Dubey had a video about consciousness. Someone commented on it as, Dubey, what is consciousness? Neighbors, which you don't have? Dubey, why? Neighbors, why? How could you be so dumb? We just fucked your wife in front of you. Dubey, hell yeah! I guess this is one of the most shittiest thing Dubey has done. Although he's the biggest degenerate shit out there. He tried to explain what time is. Someone just tried to correct him by saying, I have never seen such a moron putting so much effort on stuff that are garbage. God, I wish you were in my neighborhood. Then I'd kick your ass and shove your clock right up your ass to show what real time is. Then you'd probably feel the pain and time which you have clearly no idea of, boy. I thank everyone who reports Eric Dubey's channel. This will help stop spreading of fake knowledge. So, thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe to Tetri X Slang.